as I told you, autocomplete text view was giving only the single value. Now what we will do is, we'll see the multi-autocomplete text view. As I told you, as soon as you type the second word, or you want multiple words to be like predicted, it was not happening. So that can be implemented using this multi-autocomplete text view, which will give you suggestions for more than one words. So that we will see how to implement it. I'll just go to my code part. Below the autocomplete text view, I'll create a multi-autocomplete text view. I'll give as match parent instead of wrap content. I'll give the it as wrap content. Then what I'll do is I'll give the int saying, enter multiple names. So I'll use this and I'll give an ID to my autocomplete text view, multi-autocomplete text view. So I'll just go to I'll create that is the reference I'll create. I'll use the same array. I no need to create an extra array to it. I'll use the same array to this. So the next one is you have to create an array. You can use the same adapter. What we will do is we will just create the threshold for this also, like multi-complete dot set threshold to 1 and I'll dot set adapter. So if we do this much, what happens is we will be like able to have a multi-autocomplete text view to be like used to predict multiple values. So the next one is there should be some separator. Actually, if you want that predictions to be like happen through a space or after you give a comma, the second prediction should start. Like this, you should give or you should specify a divider, or it's something called as a separator where the autocomplete should start. So the separator has to be specified to the multi-autocomplete using a method called as set tokenizer. So this is nothing but it is used to set a tokenizer saying that there should be a separator. After the separator, whatever the user is trying to type, the auto completion should start. So what I'll do is we have a class called as multi-autocomplete text view, the one we used it, dot. Inside this we have a common tokenizer as the inner class. So this means common tokenizer. That is comma. If you give a comma, that will be the tokenizer. Then there are some more tokenizers also. Maybe I'll just show you. I think so we are having only one. I am not sure about it. Maybe it is only the comma tokenizer is there. Maybe we can also customize it, but I am not sure whether how to customize. So we'll use now with the comma tokenizer. Now what I'll do is I'll just run my application. So now what happened is my application has run successfully. You can see, sorry, maybe I have given it as match parent. I'll just change it. Okay, sorry, the orientation of the linear layout is not given. So because of that only it was showing only one. I'll give it as vertical. Now we will run the application. So now we will be like able to see two kinds of text views. That is, one is autocomplete and one is multi-autocomplete. So this is the first one. What I'll do is, first one I will type AR. Sorry, as soon as I type A, it will start predicting me the values. I'll just select it. I'll give a comma now. Once I give comma and if I type B, the prediction will not be shown to you in the autocomplete text view. We'll go to the multi-autocomplete text view now. I'll start the same A. I'll select the same value. You can see that automatically the comma has come. I have not given any comma by myself because we have used the tokenizer. So automatically after you select the value will automatically put a comma at the end. Now I'll type B. You can see that now the prediction will be started to you for B. So you select whatever you want. Then suppose if we have some other value, like there is something called N, I'll just type N. You can see the next prediction also will be started to you. So you can select that also. Like this is the purpose of a multi-autocomplete text view. So you can have an auto-completion for a multiple values with a separator. What we have used is a comma separator. So through that, the multi-auto completion will start for multiple values. So the commonly used methods for the multi-auto complete text view is something similar to that itself. Get drop-down height, horizontal offset and vertical offset. Then you can use set on item selected listener to check what is the item that is selected. Then set text is programmatically you can set the text. Then there are other methods like set validator and some more inbuilt methods which you can use for an multi-auto complete text view. So this is where same like expert, below the autocomplete text view, you will have multi-autocomplete text view. So to reference it in the Java file, you have to use the same find view by my ID method by then setting the adapter, then you can set the tokenizer.